I use GENI primarily because it gives my students a chance to experience real machines on the internet. There's no faking latency or bandwidths as you do in a simulator. It really gives them the chance to get this hands-on experience with real machines and real network conditions. GENI has real failures and real unpredictability. It's important for them to understand that things are not always going to be a controlled environment as they're used to in most of their classes. So this really gives them a taste of reality and what the world is going to be like once they graduate.
We also use GENI in that same undergrad course for an experiment using DASH to better understand dynamic rate adaptive transmission protocols. I remember the DASH experiment being fairly simple to set up, but fascinating in its practical applications and relevance to current issues in networking.
So as you can see, we've got a lot of networking equipment that students can check out. Unfortunately, they can't leave 20 or 30 routers and switches hooked up in the lab. It's a power concern, plus there's lots of room that these things take up. In addition, the network computers that we have out here in the labs are pretty good, but we can't run 20 or 30 VMs and leave those running either. And that's one of the reasons we use GENI.
You know, GENI provides resources that we simply don't have. So, for example, the undergrad class I taught, we used the WiMAX facilities in Brooklyn, and the students were able to write a new DASH policy for video adaptation. So that was pretty exciting for them. There's a lot of courseware that GENI provides, and the great thing about it is it works.